Oh, yeah. Look at KXI-41 being so much better. Affirmative.
Following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for Boone County in north central Illinois, Winnebago
There it is.
County in north central Illinois, until 2:30 a.m. Thursday. The following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for Boone County in north central Illinois, Winnebago County in north central Illinois, until 2:30 a.m. Thursday. At 8:27 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, rapid onset flooding of creeks, streams, drainage ditches, streets, underpasses, low-lying areas, and other poor drainage areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Rockford, Belvidere, Loves Park, McChesney Park, Roscoe, South Beloit, Brockton, Poplar Grove, Rockford Airport, Kennewick Lake, Cherry Valley, Winnebago, Davis Junction, Pecatonica, Lake Somerset, Durand, Cape Run, Timberlane, New Milford, and Garden Prairie. Radar rainfall estimates indicate portions of the warned area received between 2 and 3.5 inches of rain with Tuesday night's storms. A flash flood warning means rapid onset flooding is imminent or may already be occurring. Persons along creeks, drainage ditches, and other waterways should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. The following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service.
Golly, man.
The National